Universal AI University. It is India's first AI, Artificial Intelligence University, located at Mumbai. Today they have organized in association with Prolans Educators Meet Kolkata Chapter 2024, and the theme Chalkboard to Chatbot. And the one who can brief us about AI is Vani. Vani madam, please madam.
A very good evening to everyone, all the viewers. First of all, thank you so much to you, sir, and to the entire educators in the West Bengal for coming over today. So about Universal AI University, we are India's first AI university, located in 1 hour away from Mumbai. It's in a valley. It's a fully residential university, 40 acres. Where we have all our programs. So we have different programs. We have engineering. Within that, we have BTech, CS, AI and ML. Then we have a very unique age course, which is BTech in sound engineering for music aspirants. Then for management aspirants, we have BBA with AI. Someone who wants to study psychology, we have psychology with AI. And then someone who wants to study design, all the creative minds, we have design in multiple specialization. And for every school, we have partnered with either a corporate or a global level university. We have partnerships with LTI Mindtree, with Sound Ideas Academy in Bombay, and Rupika, which is #2 university in the world for animation. One unique thing which we have about a university is that all our programs are embedded with AI. So we are all talking about AI, and here you are. You can be a student at our university and learn everything about AI tools and techniques with the first Indian university to have an American VC from MIT, US. Then also this is the only university in India where we have 60 CEOs on our board and a beautiful 40-acre campus. So those who are interested to make your careers in a new age technology world and to study with a learning, a very different learning methodology, which is based on experiential learning, case studies, live projects. So this is the place where you can come in, and today has been great here at in Calcutta. We had around 25-30 educators from Nasik to Mumbai to Delhi to local people.
Vani Khanna madam with us, and today Vani ji has also partnered with Prolans Finishing School to present a lovely session. If you can introduce Dr. Shanuli Ray madam, educationist, founder of Prolans.
Good evening to all, and it's a pleasure for organizing this session in collaboration with Universal AI University, which is from Mumbai. And I'm the founder and director of Prolans. Actually, Prolans will be working in collaboration with AI Universal University, where in future we will be organizing such kind of joint seminars or career fair or some kind of things. And as Vani ma'am mentioned, that they are providing various kind of programs in their institute. In line with that, Prolans is collaborating with some industry leaders to provide internship. Once if the students who join in AI Universal University and they require internship, especially from Eastern Indian part, I am collaborating with some of the industry leaders to provide them with such kind of internship. So that is how we will be signing a move on all these things, and I'm looking forward to many more joint ventures in Eastern India
with Universal
University. Thank you all.
So we're very happy with this partnership.
Absolutely, yes. It's an honor to meet ma'am and all the educators here, and I'm sure we both the ladies will do some great work in the whole education sector. Yes.